everybody. My name is Kim and I'm the happiest cook. So, like everybody else across America, everybody is trying to eat healthy, lose weight, build muscles. Yeah. Well, my husband and I, we try to eat healthy. We've cut back on our carb intake and we've learned to eat in moderation. Well, today's meal that we're making is super healthy and it's filling. It works well for a buffet type setting or for a family meal. When it's ready, I like to put it in my small crock pot and keep it hot. And then you can enjoy hot chicken wraps all day long and, into the evening when you're playing cards or watching a movie. So I have my ingredients all ready. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. All right, so here we are at the counter. And before we get started, I just wanted to show you something. I use a lot of fresh ginger, and I don't know if you've ever seen fresh ginger. So I wanted to show you what it looked like. This is a very big piece of fresh ginger, and you can see right here where I knobbed off a piece to cook with. And what you do is you peel it with a peeler, and then you use a tool like this, which is, it's like a really fine micro grater. And that is how we do fresh ginger. I just wanted you to see. So what we're going to do first is we're going to turn on our pan and give our pan a little something to work with. Since we're doing chicken breast, not a lot of fat in those. We're going to put our chicken in this pan and cook it till it's almost completely done. Not quite, but almost done. This is my garlic here. This is my fresh cut ginger. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the chicken. Okay, so our chicken is almost completely cooked. You'll see just a little bit of pink, and that's fine. We're going to turn this down. And in the meantime, we are going to make the sauce that goes in with the chicken. And what I have here is a microwavable safe bowl. We're going to put the sesame oil, the soy sauce. This is our peanut butter and honey. We're going to put that in. Our chili and garlic sauce is already in here. Our rice vinegar is in here. Everything is ready. We're going to give it a couple shakes of salt and a couple shakes of pepper. And then we're going to put this in the microwave for about 15 seconds. And then I will be right back. All right. Just enough to warm it up and soften up this peanut butter. And we're going to stir this all up. Then we're going to pour that onto our chicken. We're going to add our chopped water chestnuts. And our green onions. This is a very familiar smell. I think it's the sesame oil. All right. And you're like, that's it? Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to break up the big hunks of chicken and heat this up real good. Takes about 5 minutes. And I will see you here back at the counter. And we'll show you how to roll one of these up. Okay, we are here back at the counter, and our chicken is completely cut and ready to wrap. So I'm going to turn this off. And this is so simple. If you have this in a crock pot, it would be kept warm. I have a plate with chopped peanuts and just romaine lettuce leaves. And it's pretty simple. All you do is wrap it up. Wrap it up. And you have your wrap. Some people don't like peanuts. I happen to like peanuts in certain instances. Here we go. And that is a completed chicken lettuce wrap. So, thank you very much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you had fun. This was like super simple, super easy, really quick, and super healthy. So, I will see you all next time on The Happiest Cook. Thanks for joining me. Bye.